जम्मू कश्मीर का पहलगाम, जहां कुदरत की खूबसूरती कभी अमन का पैगाम हुआ करती थी, लेकिन 22 अप्रैल का दिन जन्नत को लहूलुहान कर गया। 26 मासूम सैलानी आतंक के आग में झुलस गए और इनमें एक नाम था एन रामचंद्र का। कोची की रहने वाली आरती आर मेनन अपने पिता और बच्चों के साथ छुट्टियां मनाने गई थी, पर उन्होंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि यह सफर उनके जीवन का सबसे भयावह सपना बन जाएगा। आरती ने बताया, पहले तो उन्हें लगा कि कहीं पटाखे चल रहे हैं, लेकिन जैसे ही दूसरी गोली चली, सच्चाई का एहसास हुआ। ये आतंकी हमला था।
We were in the mini Switzerland area. We were taking pictures. Suddenly, we started to hear a gunshot, and then we couldn't realize whether it's really a gunshot or what is happening there. And then again, a gunshot, and then we realized it's happening. It's a terror attack. So we all laid on the ground by ourselves, seeing the movies and all. I asked my Achan and kids to be on the my father to be on the ground, and then I could sense that they are coming closer. We were in the backside of the premises, and they were coming from the another side, so we could hear the gunshots coming nearby. So I told my father, Acha, let's move from here. We have to go from here, not in the premises. Then we found a toilet, and people gathered there. So we stand there for maybe good 5 minutes. And then I was trying my phone with the postpaid number. The range was not going. And then we escaped beneath the fence to the woods. Suddenly another terrorist came to us and shot a person and asked us to shot randomly. He didn't ask anything to that person, just shot randomly, and then asked to lay on the ground. We all laid on the ground, so he went to one group as something short. So among the group, other people were there. They started to run. Then other one, same thing, and then came to us. And he didn't ask me anything. He asked my father, Kalima, Kalima. And then I told, sorry, we can't understand. Hindi mein baat karo. I thought it's Urdu or something. I don't know. So my father was like very calm. He was not like scared and all. He was like, wo kya hai? Like he was like that. And this conversation, don't think it's like a long conversation. It's like maybe 5-10 seconds. Then he asked me like, Kalima, Kalima, like that. Said, please, please. And then he like looked me and shot my father. And then immediately I evacuated the area because as a mother I have to take care of my kids. So I took my kids and then I ran.
How did you get to the safer zone? How helpful was the locals?
The locals were very helpful, like they were giving the water. Because we were all wearing the spoiled dress from the dirt. It's a mushy area and a stone, so very helpful. The locals were very helpful. I thank all the Kashmiri people who were there to help us. And these Muslims again. So thank you for all the Kashmiris, all the army people, CRPF, the local police, Kashmiri police, everyone were helpful. I was alone there, and I couldn't sense that I was alone there because they were considering me as sister. They didn't ask for any payment, taking care of me, taking to places everywhere. So it was really helpful and grateful of them.
Were the terrorists in army uniform or something?
The one who came to me was not. I don't know about the others.
अपने 6 साल के जुड़वा बेटों और पिता के साथ आरती बैसारन की घास में धीड़ घाटी से गुजर रही थी। तभी आतंकियों ने हमला बोल दिया। गोलियों की गूंज से घाटी थर्रा उठी। आरती ने बताया कि जब उन्होंने अपने बच्चों को लेकर नीचे झुकने की कोशिश की, तभी एक आतंकी सामने आया। आरती कुछ कह पाती इससे पहले ही उस आतंकी ने उनके पिता एम रामचंद्र पर गोली चला दी और वो गिर पड़े हमेशा के लिए। बिखरे सपनों के बीच आरती ने हिम्मत नहीं हारी। बच्चों को थामे वो बाढ़ के नीचे से जंगल में भाग निकली। घंटों तक भटकती रही। रास्ता अनजान था, सिग्नल नहीं था, पर हौसला कायम था। इस मुसीबत की घड़ी में कश्मीर के कुछ अजनबी लोग फरिश्ता बनकर सामने आए। ड्राइवर, मुसाफिर और एक अन्य व्यक्ति समीर ने न केवल उनका जज्बा बढ़ाया, बल्कि एक भाई की तरह उनका साथ निभाया। आरती ने नम आंखों से कहा, अब कश्मीर में मेरे 2 भाई हैं, अल्लाह उनकी हिफाजत करे। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, क्राइम तक।